Interior electric blankets are a perfect solution to keep warm during the colder months. There are many products available to choose interior electric blankets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best interior electric blankets from reputable brands. After much research, I found this products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Homemade Heated Blanket Electric Throw. Homemade Electric Throw is a premium heating blanket made of 220 GSM flannel and 200 GSM Sherpa. The fabric is soft, thick, and durable while the heating wire is hardly felt during use. It has passed the American Safety UL 964 test, has ETL certification, and uses NTC overheating protection technology to ensure safety. The intelligent temperature adjustment technology provides 5 heat levels and a 4-hour auto shut-off feature. It has a larger heating area, a 10-foot power cord, and is easy to use with only one button on the controller. The Homemade Electric Throw is energy-saving and can help save heating costs in winter. It is a great gift for the elderly, patients, and people recovering from surgery. Number 2. Electric Blanket 72 inches by 84 inches full-size heated blanket. The Ralasun heated blanket is designed for your comfort with quick heating capabilities and 6 adjustable temperature settings ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily select your preferred warmth with a single button, making it perfect for chilly nights. With a built-in 10-hour auto-off feature, you can relax without worrying about safety. The blanket is constructed from thick flannel and Sherpa materials, ensuring a cozy and soft feel against your skin. Plus, it's large enough at 72 by 84 inches to keep you warm all night long. Number 3. McJaw Heated Electric Blanket. The McJaw heated blanket offers exceptional comfort with its soft double-sided flannel material, ensuring a cozy experience. You can customize your warmth with 4 heating levels, catering to your personal preference. Safety is a priority, as the blanket features an automatic shutoff after 10 hours and overheating protection, allowing you to relax without worry. If you accidentally forget to turn it off, the safety features will kick in. Additionally, maintaining cleanliness is easy, as it can be machine washed, keeping it fresh and soft for your next use. Number 4. Dwudwa Heated Electric Blanket. The Dwudwa heated blanket is designed for ultimate comfort on cold days. Made from ultra-soft coral fleece, it provides a breathable and warm experience. You can choose from 4 heat settings to find the perfect warmth for your needs, ensuring a restful night's sleep. With a 10-hour auto shut-off feature, you can relax without worrying about safety. Measuring 72 inches by 84 inches, this full-size blanket is ideal for snuggling with loved ones on the couch or keeping warm in bed. Enjoy energy-efficient warmth with a temperature range of 86-108 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a cost-effective heating solution. Number 5. Greenoak Heated Blanket Electric Throw. The Greenoak heated blanket offers a safe and cozy experience with its ETL and FCC certifications, ensuring overheat protection for peace of mind. You can save on heating costs this winter, as this blanket is more energy efficient compared to traditional heating methods. With 10 adjustable heat settings ranging from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 timer options, you can easily find the perfect warmth for any occasion. Plus, its stylish design allows you to use it in various settings, whether draped over your couch or snuggled up in bed.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.